Hello class, how are you today? Oh, very good. I'm happy too. So, today we're going to continue working on vocabulary related to manufacturing process. Okay, so do you remember some of the words or the vocabulary that we were working with about last class? Okay, so tell me some. Casting process. What else? Welding. Very good. What else? Forming. We missed one. Which one is? It's related with some process that we need to kind of clean the material. Removing material. Very good. Okay, so today's lessons, we're gonna listen an audio and then you will be able to listen and try to understand the vocabulary that we were studying last time. You will be able to learn a little bit more about the description or the, let me think how to say it. Describe the process a little bit more with more words, okay? So I want you to take notes and listen the audio and let's see what's happened next, okay? So I'm gonna give you 2 minutes when I'm playing the audio. Okay, let's go. Okay, class, after these 2 minutes, could you tell me what words did you hear about the manufacturing process? Do we listen all the processes that we have here? Are you agree or not? Okay, we have been listening about forming, yeah? We got forming on the audio, very good. What else? Casting? Yes. We got casting. What else? Welding. Yes, very good. And what about the removal material? Yes, that's right. We got removal material. Not all of you? Okay, so this was a little bit tricky because the audio is, the guy that is speaking a little bit faster than you are used to. Okay, very good. So, now I want you to work in groups of 3, at the most 3 people. And please, I want you to discuss some ideas and notes that you take. And then to share ideas with the peers and try to complete a general idea on what you have understanding from the audio, okay? Okay, so I'm gonna give you 10 minutes to do this activity. If you have any questions, please let me know. I will be around and I will check in and listen in, okay? Very good. Okay, so after 10 minutes of practice, seeing this and discussing, okay, we have, I've been hearing around that some of you have some problems about keeping the words, okay? So this is very important because when you are trying to learn new vocabulary, we need to make use on some things to get the idea of the words and keep the words in our minds and to remember how to spell them, okay? So now we're gonna see a technique that I like a lot because we can use a mnemonic to understand words. For example, welding. So if we have welding, we can form a mnemonic. A mnemonic is a fun way to remember a word. Okay, so for example, mnemonic. Let me give you the hint. So, for example, with W, we can say well, okay? Let me take another marker because this is not working. Okay, so well for Y, for W, excuse me. And then for E, engineers. So we're gonna form something that maybe not doesn't make sense or maybe it's fun. Well, engineers like doing interesting and not good. Okay? So maybe this is a way in which I will be able to remember welding. Okay? That's my word. So now, as your activity, I'm going to ask you to choose one word from the ones that you listen or from one that you got from the processes. And then I want you to ask you to do a mnemonic. Okay? So I'm going to give you 10 minutes to complete this activity. Very good.